Now, moving on to the technology sector, global tech stocks are under pressure, but Nvidia's boss says, don't panic. In fact, he says now is the time to buy. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is calling the global tech stock sell-off that began last week a buying opportunity. His reasoning is simple. The build-out of artificial intelligence has only just begun. The broader decline was triggered by investor caution over AI-related valuations and growing concerns about potential U.S. interest rate hikes. South Korea's Kospi index took a noticeable hit on Monday as markets across Asia scaled back their exposure to AI-linked equities. And that is part of a wider international pullback in tech shares. So what set this off? Well, the sell-off is it started late last week when chipmaker Broadcom posted results that failed to meet investor enthusiasm, triggering a ripple effect across the semiconductor sector. But Huang isn't flinching. He's maintaining that AI infrastructure growth is still in its early stages. He argues that the current moment marks the beginning of a much larger build-out, one that will serve as the foundation for an AI-driven world. At the World Economic Forum in Davos earlier this year, Huang had already framed AI as the largest infrastructure build-out in human history. He said that it is not a single technology cycle, but a multi-layer platform shift that's spanning energy, chips, data centers, models, and applications. Nvidia's own numbers back that confidence. The company's March quarter revenue hit $81.6 billion, that's up 85% year-on-year, with data centers alone accounting for over $75 billion. And Nvidia isn't just talking. The company announced a deeper partnership with South Korea's SK Hynix to co-design next-generation memory chips that are tailored for AI and signal that the infrastructure race is only accelerating. The bigger picture is that Huang is essentially telling markets what he has said for years. AI will reshape the global economy and the way the internet once did. A short-term sell-off, in his view, doesn't change the trajectory. Whether investors agree will play out in the days ahead. But for now, the man who built the world's most valuable chip company is doubling down and telling the world that AI story is far from over.